Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from mParticle to your US billing profile step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your mParticle account. Navigate to the left-hand menu and select Billing. Once in the Billing section, locate your current billing profile. Click on the profile you wish to withdraw funds from. Review the details associated with that profile to ensure accuracy. Look for the option labeled Withdraw Funds or similar wording. After selecting the Withdraw option, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Double-check the entered amount for any errors. Next, confirm that your selected payment method is valid and up-to-date. Carefully read through the withdrawal terms and conditions. If everything looks correct, proceed by clicking on the Confirm Withdrawal button. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a two-factor authentication process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. Once verified, your withdrawal request will be processed. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your withdrawal. Monitor your email for updates on the status of your transaction. Keep in mind that processing times can vary. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out to mParticle customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.